So having the right attitude, be mother to let again, it is underrated. So for people who tell na one mother ibotic, if for mother say, oh, it is ibotic, because probably the person na aso language here, probably the person making deka afi okay, or mannerism you will turn around and say, it ibotic. Why do you even take nefa bumpale? Of course, not boni Igbo. Igbo. So if we're not the boutique, you say not the boutique, you are not wrong. But as a twist to go, Ibotika, but this attitude, it is golden. This attitude is golden. And this is the attitude I want my children, I would want my siblings, I want everybody around me to have. Actually shame, okay? Ibo a shame,
Smash this man here, going to pass him.
He's good looking, but because of the complexion.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be rude.
Okay.
It's a pass.
Would you have smashed her?
No.
Why?
Because she's kind of Igbotic.
Igbotic?
Igbotic, very.
Use your mic, sir.
She's very Igbotic, like a kind of someone who stay in the countryside, like someone who stay in the village. Let me put it that way. Mm-hmm.
So let me correct the impression.
Okay, ma'am.
I am Igbo, a very proud one. If you can go to the places or check the places that I have worked, they would tell you I hardly speak English. I speak Igbo, and I am so proud of Igbo, of being Igbo. Despite the fact I read English and literary studies, first of all, I'm an Igbo lady before I read the English language, which is not my culture, and it is not my tradition, and it is not my language. All right, so I am proud to sound like an Igbo person. I can't deny it. Of course I do. I'm so Igbotic. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is metropolitan city.
Okay.
This is Lagos. A lot of people from all part of the country come around here.
You don't expect me to be what I am not.
Interrupt.
It is not in me, guy.
Don't
No,
interrupt.
chill. It's not in me. I can't do it to please you.
Okay.
This is who I am. Yes, you expect me. I might fall. And you wouldn't like me to fall. Would you like me to fall?
No.
What I'm implying is that this is a city.
Mm-hmm.
I am a Yoruba guy. If I decide to speak my language, many people will not comprehend. So you're kind of person who would like to, you talk about you being Imo, and
I breathe Igbo.
Okay.
I eat Igbo.
It's fine.
I walk in Igbo. I dress Igbotic. It is my identity. It is my culture. And it makes me who I am. So if you don't like it, you can take it.